This hill, this path is so steep. Oh my goodness. We made it. Guys, we made it. So first hill is done. This hill behind me is going to be a monster of a hill to go up, especially with this wind. We made it to the top of the second hill, and now it's time for the third one, which is right there. Third hill done, now we're on to the fourth. So here we go. So the fourth one wasn't as bad as the third one. They were quite similar, but nowhere near as bad as the third one. So now on to the fifth. Let's go! As you can see, we made it to the fifth hill, and now onto the sixth. So we've done the sixth hill, but I don't think it counts because it was a very easy hill to do, and technically there's 8 hills, not 7, due to erosion. So yeah, but the next hill, the 7th hill, looks like it's going to be probably the worst one. So here we go. So this is what we've already done. We have done all of that, and my hair is going everywhere. It's going crazy. Oh, the wind. It's not making me look very good. So we made it up the last hill. I decided to attempt running up it, so I'm a bit out of breath now. But it ended with a really nice view. So yeah, now I'm heading towards the cafe and towards the lighthouses and continue forward to Eastbourne.